with high honors, Lead Model Student Awardee, and Maria Juliana M. Velasquez, Loyalty Awardee.
To award the medals and certificates, may we respectfully call on Brother Glenford B. Langit, Brother Alberto R. Domingo Jr., Brother Mario M. Reyes, Brother Artemio C. Escuela, Brother Edwin Bao, Brother Saul A. Bernal, to be assisted by Brother Sunday S. Cebu, and Professor Betsy B. Bayan. Home Economics Strand, 12 HE1B,
Congrats, Julie.
under the supervision of Professor Christine K. A. Opina, Clement Allen Q. Abadilla, Cyrus P. Benda, Mark Joshua C. Estelio,
Congrats, Juliana.
Oswald Theodore O. Feliciano, Service Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and with high honors, Aldrin Lai L. Gaina, Service Awardee, Davidson M. Manari, Henry B. C. Manzano, Christian Mark D. Marquez,
Rin, bati mo kay
Joseph
Julie.
Christian G. Rondi,
Bati mo kay Juliana.
Jose Alan Marie S.
Dito ka na, tapos sa
Achievement
ano ko,
Awardee,
sa branch ko, hindi ako
Tyrone
lang
Jerome C.
mag-aasas.
Salvador, Loyalty Awardee,
Ayun na si
A. C.
Marge.
R. C. Samud,
Congrats, Marge.
Alain Miguel M. Victoriano, Service Awardee, Kurt Dunham S. Villarta, Service Awardee, and with high honors, Julia B. Abu, J. Antoinette C. Cocho, Achievement Awardee, Krista Chloe L. Estas, Jamaica P. Milalaba, Agatha R. Pelaya, with high honors, Andrea Pauline L. Plaza, with high honors.